Welcome to another fantastic episode of Texas H3 Overland. I got the H3 in the shop today because of those ugly things right there. The windshield pillars. Yes, mine are gray. I saw a post on Instagram that was quite interesting. I can't talk. About using a heat gun to revive the black coloring of these windshield pillars and bring them back to where they, don't look so old and ugly. So I thought, yeah, what the hell? It's worth a try. I had considered painting them or vinyl or something like that, but if I can just do it with a heat gun here in the shop, then hey, kudos to me. So today, we're going to pull these off and see if this works. To remove the pillars, you need to open the door, if you can see this here, and just kind of pull back the weather strip. And when you do this, if you can see there, kind of move you here, you can see two screws that you'll need to remove with a Phillips, or some people call a cross point screwdriver. We're going to do that and get these things pulled off. The gasket's a little bit tough to get off. Just apply firm pressure. And then, there you go. You can see these clips here and here on the windshield are what hold it in place there. I'm going to clean this up a minute and then we'll be back to get the heat gun. We've got our driver's side pillar pulled off, and you can see just how gray this one has become. And you and I together are going to see just how easily this heat gun trick will revive the black in this pillar. I don't know if you can see this, but so far this is working pretty well. You don't want to get too close, I'm sure. That looks like a brand new windshield pillar right there. And it's not that hot right now. I can put my hands right on it, so it's not as hot as you would think. In theory, these just snap back in here, and then we put our 2 screws back on and reattach the weather strip. Hopefully that's correct. There's that. Snap back in. In case you're wondering, I took the bit out of the screwdriver. And then we'll just press the weather strip back on. And there you have it. You see, this one's nice and black. Of course, it makes the trim up on top look worse. And this one over here still needs to be done. I'll do that one real fast, and we'll look at the finished product. And here is our passenger side. Snapped back into place. And that looks so much better than before. So YouTube, so far I would call that a success. It's not as hot as you think to bring that color back out. It's not even too hot to touch. You could probably even do this with a hairdryer at home. So being that it's not that hot and you're not getting it that hot, I couldn't tell that there's any sort of damage to the plastic itself at all. But I will keep you informed on this, and if anything goes wrong with it, I'll be happy to tell you. Until then, I hope you liked this video. Please like, share, comment, tell me what you think about this. But come back for more videos at Texas H3 Overland. Thank you very much.